Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your IB in Vantage. First, open your internet browser and go to the official Vantage website. Make sure you are on the correct website to keep your account secure. Once the page loads, look at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see your profile icon. Click on this icon to open the menu. From the menu, click on the option that says Go to Profile. This will take you to your personal account area where you can manage your settings and account details. Inside your profile page, look for an option called Transfer IB. Click on Transfer IB to continue with the process. Now you will see a page asking you to select the partnership type. From the available options, choose IB. After selecting the partnership type, you will be asked to enter the new details. Here you need to carefully type the new CPA ID, affiliate code, IB number, or promotion invitation code. Make sure the information is correct, as any mistake may delay the process. Next, you will be asked to enter the reason for the transfer. Write a short and clear reason. Once all the fields are filled in, read the terms and conditions carefully. When you are ready, agree to the terms by ticking the checkbox. Then submit your request. After submitting, Vantage will review your request. This process may take some time. Once your request is approved, your IB will be changed successfully. Thanks for watching.